How to connect to a VPN server using Turbo VPN. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to connect to a VPN server using the Turbo VPN. So in order to do this procedure, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with you have to install the application. For that, please go ahead and open up your app store, and then on the search box type in Turbo VPN and then install the following application. After the application is completely installed, click the open button and make sure to enable all sort of permission. Then it's gonna look something like this. Right on this page, you can go ahead and manually enter in the location for which you wish to go ahead and connect the server to, or you could just click the icon located right at the bottom, or there's this indication that says tap to connect. It's going to show you a pop-up menu, so go through it and click the OK button. After that, it's going to take a couple of seconds in order to get connected to a nearby server. Then you'll have successfully connected to a VPN server using the Turbo VPN. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.